Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kairo. Happy birthday to you. Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha and yes guys, today is our son's third birthday. Woo-hoo. It's Cairo's birthday. How old are you, Cairo? How old are you? Blue balloon. Happy birthday. Are you excited, Papa? Are you happy? I'm not hearing one thing that he's saying, but there's a birthday boy. Yes, he's in his I Am 3 roar shirt. And right now, guys, we are heading to Commander Bay. We're going to catch an early movie for the birthday boy, guys. And then we are going to be taking some pictures. And then we are going to the beach because Cara loves the beach, right? And what else? We might look for something for his birthday, a gift. We already ordered, you know, a gift for SweetieKai. It has been at custom for days now, and unfortunately guys, the third party have not collected it as yet from custom for us to collect it from them. So we were looking forward to getting that gift today, but I'm sure today is Saturday. I'm sure that by next week, Monday, Tuesday, we should have it in the hand, and SweetieKai is gonna get his gift, right? But we're gonna look. We might look and see if we can get something else. But we really know that he will just love that gift. He will love that gift.
Guys, just 1 second. Look at SweetieKai we just on. Okay, back to regular program.
There goes my family. There goes my family. The sweet boy, look on the cha-cha birthday boy. Look on the cha-cha birthday boy. Spotlight is all on SweetieKai. He has on his I Am 3 roar shirt, people. Mommy's not in the spotlight today, although she's in yellow and she's shining so bright like a diamond. It is Cairo's day. It's all about Cairo, people. So guys, right now we're heading to the movies. We're gonna watch our early movies. This is the first time, our early movie, guys. This is the first time doing such a thing. For the kids, guys, it's a lighter music and lighter sound and brighter lights, so they won't be scared. Are you excited, Papi? We're gonna watch a movie.
Guys, SweetieKai enjoyed watching the movie. He had a blast. The last time we went to the movies was when I was in contractions with Araya. That was some experience. More so back then, SweetieKai wasn't having the whole movie scenario, but he really enjoyed this one. On to our next adventure.
Well, yes, guys, the movie's finished. I don't know. We always say we would have make Cairo going at that. We have wet clothes film. Wet up inside before in go beach. You don't know. Yeah? Did you like the movie, Cairo?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. Are you ready to go to the beach, birthday boy?
Beach time now, Kairo.
You say you're sweet? You see you're sweet? We're gonna take pictures and then we're going to the beach, okay, Caro? Say cheese. Caro.
Kairo, look at mommy.
Caro, say cheese.
Say cheese.
Cheese, smile.
Say cheese.
Caro, smile. Look at mommy and smile. Say roar. Roar like the lion. You gonna roar like the lion? Alright.
So yes guys, we were trying to take some pictures of SweetieKai, but SweetieKai was not having it, he was running away. But we managed to take some beautiful pictures guys.
Look at daddy, look at daddy, look at daddy, Kairo, look at daddy. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, you gotta like it.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my mommy lifted me high and danced with my father and me. And then, guys, it was not a rice day, but don't worry, she was feeling the love. Guys, we decided to see the observation tower. We were just taking a few pics of SweetieKai, but he said that he wanted to see more stairs, so we decided to see what the tower was all about. Guys, after walking for what seemed like forever, we finally saw what the observation tower was about. We saw condos. They were located at Commander Bay to include a pool as well as a beautiful, breathtaking view of the lake. Guys, we did a little bit more sightseeing before we got a toy for both Araya and Caro.
Caro, you got a book. Do you like the book? Yeah. What's that you have in your hand? You want little piggy too? Will you buy little piggy for him or no? Caro wants little piggy. What's the name of the piggy? The piggy named Piggy? Do you take out Peppa Pig? Do you like Peppa Pig? He said like, do you love books too?
Yes.
Alright. Guys, it's not alright birthday, but we're gonna see how expensive is the Barbie doll. Right? They're so cute. We'll pick one that looks just like a Raya. Come, Caro. Caro, get a Peppa Pig, guys. His birthday gift is on the way. Don't worry, people. So, guys, we're heading to the beach now, and SweetieKai is carrying his balloon to the beach.
What type of your finger?
Caro, you carried the balloon to the beach?
You're gonna swim with the balloon, Kairo?
Alright, Caro said that he's gonna swim with the balloon, people. SweetieKai wants to go to the beach. Guys, I can't better change her ass. Let me just take off her pants. She's gonna swim in her top.
Kairo, guess what? It's cold.
It's too cold? Is it too cold?
Is it cold? Is it?
Woo! Caro said, no, Daddy.
Cold.
No, Daddy.
It's
Alright.
cold, Kairo.
Because alright, guys, she afraid of the cold water. He's a wicked. You don't want somebody to do that to you?
Too cold. Too cold.
Caro, get used to it now, though.
Alright, it's time to swim now, Kairo. Swim. Swim.
Still cold.
Oh no! It cannot be cold.
Guys, when I tell you that the kids had a blast, the kids had a blast. Baby Araya was natural in the water. Guys, it was Araya versus Kairo swimming competition, and I must say that Araya won.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Kairo, happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
Cairo, blow out your candles. Blow out your candles, Cairo.
Build them out now, Papa.
Blow them out. Sit.
Kairo, are you one? Are you two? Are you
Sit down. Sit down.
three?
Cairo. Blow. Blow. Blow, Cairo. Again. One more. Go again. Good job.
Good job, Kairo.
Cairo, it's time to cut your cake, Cairo.
What?
Are you ready to cut your cake, Cairo? Come, Cairo, hold it like this. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Go. 1, 2, 3. Whooshoo. Go again. Wait, Cairo, wait. Cairo, no. Cairo, you're cheating. Come, cut again, Cairo. Cut. Hold the knife. 1, 2, 3. Down. Yeah.
So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. SweetieKai had a fantastic birthday. Guys, believe me when I say that his birthday didn't stop here. He partied up a storm. More so, guys, is still to get that guitar from us. Probably next week, Monday or Tuesday, thereabout. Hopefully, the third party collect it by then. Guys, please remember to like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.